Good morning, everybody, and welcome from here in Dominion, Nova Scotia. I'm here today at the Dominion Heritage School Museum, which has been here. This building was originally a school over 100 years ago, and inside is full of really interesting collectibles and old archives and all kinds of wonderful information about the town of Dominion, the schools in the town, and a whole bunch of other information. So I've actually been speaking with one of the people who work here. His name is Braden, and he's kind of going to give us a guided tour around the school here today. So I'm just going to flip this around and we'll walk inside.
And it's like right at a turn too, so you can't see it.
So I'm here with Braden at the Dominion. What's the official title of this place?
Dominion Heritage Schoolhouse.
Okay. And how long has it been operating here now?
It was open for 7 years, I think, in
Okay.
1888.
Wow. So it's been here for 140 years almost.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Renovated. Used to be a food place. People
Right.
used to come get food here when it was shut down.
Yeah.
And then they had renovated to a heritage.
Cool. So there's all kinds of old school photos in here, books,
Old
archives.
classroom photos, like just people of Dominions.
Yeah.
School books and stuff like that. School
Okay.
books are all over there.
All the old high school yearbooks. Nice.
McDonald High School.
Yeah. That's actually where I went to school as well.
Yeah.
I graduated in '92
Oh, yeah.
from the second, I guess, second high school. Okay.
Over this way, we have. This is what the teacher used to wear, like some outfit like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very stylish.
Yep. And here we have the Dominion, the history. We're working on this while here.
Yeah.
We just started working on this.
Wow.
Yeah, it's just like old buildings that used to be here.
Nice.
Yeah. And this is the McDonald family. Just all pictures of them.
Which is an extensive family in this town.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were
Yeah,
here
yeah.
for. There's the old tramway that used to be in town
Yeah,
too. That used
that's
to come
where
over
the
the tracks.
Sandbar is, I think, somewhere.
Yeah.
There.
Because those tracks that are at the bottom of the picture there, I think,
Yeah.
are where the walking trail is now.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yep. Cool.
Yep.
Trophies up top.
Trophies. Yep. Just that's all instrument stuff, all music and
Old band classes and
dance.
stuff.
Yeah.
Nice.
This way.
Okay.
Sports section here.
Yep.
All baseballs, golf, old golf
Oh, wow.
clubs. Yeah, baseball catching gear.
All the old team photos and stuff too.
Yeah. And here we have the original.
Jerry Petrie, Sander Ward. That's Paul, owns the places out front.
Yeah.
That's Paul's father.
Wow.
And Freddie Canova, right there. Freddie got killed in the pit
Mm-hmm.
about 1968. Butchie, right here, Polygano.
Yep.
He was about 12 years old. He drowned at the beach here
Oh.
when he was 12 years old.
Wow.
Yeah.
I had never seen a lot of the stuff that's in this place
I
before.
haven't either.
Like the old baseball jerseys and stuff that are
That's
here.
Londo's Catalones.
Yeah.
That's Londo there. Mickey,
1940-41 baseball champions.
yeah.
Dominion Hawks, Maritime Juniors.
Mickey Guthrow.
Yep.
Mickey is married to Gail, Londo's daughter.
Oh, okay. Have you ever been upstairs here?
No.
You should take a walk upstairs and see the stuff.
I will.
Yeah, Glenn Stevens.
Oh yes.
All his old stuff.
Yep.
Yep.
He was a historian here for years, wasn't he?
Yeah. Yep. Well known.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have a whole book, photo album of him.
All the stuff that he took?
Yep. Yep. Just some family and stuff like that. Photos of him. Yeah.
Nice.
And this is the everyday thing. So this is people's stuff that donate here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we all put
Wow.
that all stuff up here. Old stuff.
Old typewriters and
Yep.
kitchen
Yep.
stuff.
From old stores and old companies and stuff.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's amazing how much stuff is in here and how,
Yeah.
like, I drive by here quite frequently because I'm here visiting family and stuff, and it's always interesting to see how the place is never very busy.
Yeah, I know.
And for the amount of stuff that's in here, I find that really interesting.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of hoping that with this, like, I'm going to use this and get it uploaded and stuff. That
Yeah, definitely.
encourage some more people to come.
Yeah, get more attention, yeah. This is another album kind of thing.
Oh, the old poster boards. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good idea.
We're just working on this here, yeah.
All the old mining stuff.
Yeah, more like letters and stuff from the town. Like, that's
Oh,
what the news
town
and stuff
council
like
minutes.
that. So they
Yep.
get that out, yeah.
Yeah, there was a book downstairs that my dad brought with us today.
Yeah.
That he actually donated.
Yeah.
And it's the old...
Yeah, we have old newspapers and stuff like that.
Yeah.
From like 1901 and stuff like that, yeah.
Yeah, I think it was an old women's auxiliary, like a card club kind of thing.
Yeah.
But it ran for like 7 or 8 years.
Yeah.
So,
This is the shoe.
the old shoe repair
Yeah.
shop.
I
Yep.
think that was Teresa's father, maybe?
Okay.
Something like that. She,
Yep.
Yeah. The New York shoe repair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the heart of Dominion.
Yep.
Mitchell store. Yeah.
Cash register here. It's from Mitchell, or the Mackenzie store.
1930s.
Yeah.
Oh. These must be old
Oh yeah.
church books.
Mm-hmm.
And that looks like an old book here of the like the general store. People will like buy
Yeah.
stuff on credit
Yeah.
or whatever, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
This is more mining stuff here.
Yep.
Yeah. You got an old helmet. I think that's would be a lunchbox.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
The old lanterns, actually a couple of those lanterns up at my
Yep.
parents' house.
Yep.
So I'm upstairs here at the museum, and this place is incredible if you're a history buff. There is so much stuff up here, like as an archive, as a collection of like books and records and everyday things that I'm almost speechless by how much is here. I had never seen this before. Full disclosure, like this place was here for a number of years, and I have never come by to check it out, but wanted to make sure I did that this time. And yeah, there's just a wealth of history here, not only about the town of Dominion, but just of the history of the area over the years. So you've got, you know, Dominion and Glace Bay and Reserve and Donkin. Like this whole area was so grown up on coal mining, was the biggest industry here by far. And yeah, I really hope that people will come and check this place out. As far as I know, and I will confirm this downstairs, of course, like, you know, there's just yeah, this place is open all summer. There's people here all the time. It's free to get into and check out. As you can see from Braden there, they give tours to people coming through to kind of see what all the different things are that are in here. There's a donation box downstairs. Feel free to, you know, donate some money, because this is a non-profit in a small town, and I'm sure that this place relies heavily on donations and things. But what an amazing time capsule archive of things. It's a nice small town with so much history to see, and this place here seems to be ground zero for so much of that information, and I really hope that people come and check it out.
Just trying to keep it open,
Yeah.
just raising money, and we just had our big fundraiser the other day, and trying to keep it open, and
That was on Heritage Day?
Yes.
The other day? Was
Yeah.
it a good success?
It was not as good as last year for
Right.
some reason, but it was good. It gives us money to pay some bills during the winter and to try and keep it going for us. Yeah,
So during the summer months, it's open pretty well every day?
Monday to Friday,
Okay.
because we have these young people who are on grants,
Yep.
and they bring you're through CBRM,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And Abby is through us.
Okay.
And but with the government eventually at the end of the summer we
Right.
pay her and then they reimburse us our money because she's on a grant. And but no, it's a hard go trying to, and I'll tell you, Teresa Gillis
Yeah.
works her butt off to keep this place going.
Really?
Oh my goodness. Yeah, she does. And Melinda too. Melinda works very hard. Like I say, I'm the new kid on the block, so I'm just getting my...
That's why you drew the short straw to be here
Yeah,
today.
exactly. Melinda calls me at 9 o'clock this morning. You gotta go up to the Heritage Building, I'm working.
I had talked to her, I think, late last week.
Yes.
And she had mentioned that the Heritage Day on Friday with the fundraiser and things. And I was like, well, I'm not going to be in town yet for it.
Yeah,
But then I talked to her again and she said, yeah, we'll come by and anytime really. And
yeah, exactly. The kids are here, like I say, Monday to Friday.
yep.
They're here, and just to try and it gives 2 kids a job every summer.
That's right.
That's what we like about it too.
Yep.
That it gives the kids their jobs and keeps them going for another year of college or whatever, or high school. But,
Enough to pay a few bills anyway.
It does, exactly.
Great.
Yeah, it does. Not
Yeah.
a problem.
Excellent. Well, thank you.
Oh my God.
Stevenson's,
Yes.
there's my grandmother, Mrs. Richard Nearing. All the
Okay.
women back then didn't have a first name,
No, they
right?
never did. No. No, I look in our old CWL books, and it's the exact same thing.
This is to do with what, when we were talking about
Women's Auxiliary or
the
something.
Women's Auxiliary, about, it started over in where? Was it in the US or in Ireland?
Well, they were all over, but this was a local one, I
Yeah,
think.
local chapter here.
Okay.
Because there was a mention in the book here. What was the initials that they used? The acronym? It was LAAGH.
That was at the old LOC hall.
Yeah, but this
That's-
was before that, yeah.
Yeah.
19
Because that book started in what, 1912? I
Well,
think it was.
imagine. Oh, Teresa will be very excited about that.
all the local, she'll recognize the names. Stevenson's,
Well, yes.
Corbett's, Nearing's.
Exactly.
I just wrote that down. I
Okay,
just
no,
don't
I'm
even
gonna
through whatever.
put it
Look, big
aside
game
for
tonight. Whoever wrote that in there, God knows.
Exactly.
Anyway,
Yeah, no,
There it is.
I'm gonna get you to put it back in the bag, and I'm
Yeah.
gonna set it aside till Teresa comes so she
let her
can,
look at it. She might
Yeah,
want to turf
she
it, or she
will.
might want to keep it.
oh, she will, no, they'll wanna keep it for
Who's
sure.
Teresa? What's her
Teresa Gillis?
Art
she was-
Gillis's wife?
No, she was Teresa Chiquetto, Angelo Chiquetto's
yeah,
daughter.
yeah, I know Teresa.
Teresa kind of runs this place,
I
but,
didn't know that.
oh God, yes, in years, she's
She was
been
the one,
wonderful.
the middle girl, yeah.
Yeah,
Stella was the oldest.
Stella was the, and then Angela.
No, Teresa was next.
Next, okay,
Then
and then
Angela.
Angela.
So I hope you really enjoyed our tour of the Dominion Heritage School Museum today. I thought it was a really interesting place with so much history and some really cool stuff in there. Really nice people working there. It's just a nice little community project. If you're ever in Dominion, I encourage you to please stop by and check it out. As they mentioned earlier, they're open Monday to Friday during the summertime. There's always people on site for it. They accept donations, no charge to get into the place. And I'll post a link down below in the description of this video to the map location of the museum. Although if you're coming into Dominion, you should be able to recognize the red schoolhouse on the side of the road just as you're coming into town. Anyway, that will do it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, life is short, so wander.